So recently, my nephew turned 6, and my sister is a working single mom who is also recently recovering from spinal surgery. So she asked me to help her out, and of course, I'm glad to help. I love my nephew. I wanted him to have an amazing birthday, but he is a big fan of the evil guy, the Emperor Zurg, or whatever it is. He's always been a big fan. So we kind of figured out what he really wanted was the Pizza Planet party, because he loves pizza, he loves Emperor Zurg, and he loves Buzz Lightyear. So this is going to be a combination haul from Party City, the 99-cent store, Dollar Tree, a candy shop, and Hobby Lobby, plus Trader Joe's. Kind of a hodgepodge of everywhere, but we will start here. From Party City, this is just a stack of lime green paper cups. From Hobby Lobby, some of these paper letters, it's going to be an activity that they're going to paint. At Trader Joe's, there are these cheddar cheese rocket crackers that are just so cute. From the local candy shop, this is a chocolate rock, a solid chocolate and then made to look like a little rock. Also from the same candy store, these are old-fashioned candy sticks in blackberry, and some rock candies in assorted colors. These are from Party City with the little aliens on them. These are from the Dollar Tree, these little mini rainbow lollipops. These are from the local candy shop as well, these Whirly Pop rainbow fruit punch flavored sodas. These are from Trader Joe's. This is a Christmas product. These are dark chocolate stars with these little white sprinkles on them. These we got from the local candy shop, but I'm pretty sure you could probably find these in like regular stores too, just regular Pop Rocks. From the local candy shop, some of these gummy pizzas, and then these are what these lollipops look like. They come in a bag like this. From the local food store, like the restaurant supply store, this is a giant bag of lime jello mix. And then these sprinkles came from Hobby Lobby. Glitter. And these are a nut-free, gluten-free, dairy-free. So these are a pretty cool find. And then also some of the gold and silver stars. Also nut-free, gluten-free, dairy-free. These are from the local candy shop. These are candied rocks. They're like chocolate. They're like this big one here, but they're smaller and different colors. These are from Party City. These are plates. These are little rocket ship plates. And then blast off birthday plates. These, I might put one of these or a couple of these into like a balloon banner. I don't know. She is in charge of picking up the balloons. She is trying to have a whole little vision to put together. So we'll see what happens. A lime green, it just says happy birthday. This came from the 99-cent store. This purple tablecloth came from Party City to go with these foil curtains. We got a few of these for a backdrop. They came from Party City as well. And then these are just sequins from Hobby Lobby. We couldn't find any of the stars at the Dollar Tree that were in gold and silver, but they had other colors. So we wanted these ones. We had to go to Hobby Lobby to find something like this. But when we did go to Hobby Lobby, we found a clearance balloon frame. This was only 49 cents, I believe. And then this came from Party City. The inspiration for the rock candy and the star confetti is this rocket ship cake stand. I figured putting little things like this on it would be pretty cute. So this is really cute. And then this came from Party City too. It's just a little prize mix. It has army men in it, so if we decided to use those for cupcakes, we were really happy to see that these came in here and we didn't have to go anywhere else to find them. And then from Party City, these are just like the rocket ship blowouts. And then from the Dollar Tree, these are some happy birthday crowns, and then some of these buckets from Party City to put some of the favors and candy and stuff in. This is a vegan vanilla cake I got from the grocery store, and it had this crumble on the side of it, so I just scraped it off and replaced it with some sprinkles. These sprinkles are just Halloween sprinkles. I used most of them besides the actual like ghost and pumpkins, so it gave it kind of a space feel because there was some purples in there and it turned out really nice. And then I'm just going to go ahead and top it with some of these other sprinkles I got, and then a little alien figurine. And this is really going to help save time. Both of my kids have food allergies, so to help save time, sometimes I will find some vegan products or some allergy friendly products to kind of help fill in those gaps when I really don't have time to bake every single thing. Just like I have a favorite chocolate vegan cupcake that I like to be able to pick up from the grocery store that the kids can take to school last minute if there's like a class birthday or something special going on. And here it is all decorated with the sprinkles. I'm going to put the alien in, and then some of the little pics you're going to see me make later, and it turned out just perfectly. And then I can still put it in its case here so it can travel easily. Another cute little trick I found on Pinterest is just taking some of these dum-dums, they're allergy friendly, and some of these airheads, they are also allergy friendly, and rolling them and making little planet rings, and these will be cupcake picks with edible decorations. So here I am making some Cocoa Crispy Treats. We've got 6 cups of the chocolate cereal. This is 4 cups of mini marshmallows. I have 3 tablespoons. I'm using vegan butter. And I'm going to put, I have these neon colors. I'm going to put purple into the marshmallow so that the Cocoa Krispies have like a purple marshmallow film around them. And then when I press them into the pan, I'm going to cover the tops with like galactic looking sprinkles and stuff. And then those should be like a cosmic type brownie thing, but my kids can't have brownies, so we're gonna go with Rice Krispie Treats. So here's hoping it turns out really good. I think these turned out just so super cute, and the Cocoa Krispie Treats are one of my kids' favorite treats to have, and they are also very, very versatile, very inexpensive. So here is the overall vision of the Buzz Lightyear Pizza Planet Party. My sister prefers to save time with her balloons, and she likes to order helium balloons. She has 2 dozen helium balloons and then fill them in with some of the Dollar Tree Mylar balloons. An inexpensive hack would be to take the latex balloons and then fill them full of air and hang them from the ceiling instead. She ordered this chocolate mousse cake from a local bakery that was featured on diners, drive-ins, and dives, so it's like a very special treat because it is just delicious. A special hack we used here was to just order like a special galaxy cake, like space kind of a theme, and then we decorated it with the toys he already had that were Buzz Lightyear and the little Emperor, plus the cosmic brownies and the rocks around the base. The Pop Rocks and the cosmic Rice Krispie Treats. And then we have the alien cup set up here with the Cheddar rocket ship crackers and the lollipops and the rock candy. Another thing my sister likes to do to save time is she ordered takeout pizza. Another way to save money is to make the pizza yourself. Here is the allergy-friendly cake stand. I have the chocolate vegan cupcakes on top that I decorated with the sprinkles and the planet picks. I have the gummy pizzas over here. And then here is that vanilla vegan cake with the alien and the lollipop pick. Plus there is a pizza slice Ryan's piñata that turned out to be such a blast for the kids. It was filled with confetti and some of the mystery Ryan's toys like slimes and all kinds of other fun stuff. The kids had a blast. Even though it was a small party, it was just my kids and my nephew and our family. We had an amazing time hanging out, doing some activities and visiting with each other and just having dinner, being able to talk and spend some time with each other and creating these fun little traditions of having just an extra special birthday. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.